Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Anton Maroon and this is my friend Travis Manning, who we recently did a van tour of. If you haven't seen that, check that out. Today he's being a huge help and he's helping me install my windows on my van. Alright, all 4 of the corner holes are drilled out, so now it's time to cut it with the jiggy saw. Alright, that's the first one done. Thank you, Travis.
Do you have a file?
Yes. Wow. Okay. Can you help wipe that? That was on my hand. No.
Okay.
Cool. Is that fine?
Do you have like mineral spirits or?
What about the glass? Oh no. Oh. It's fine? The glass cleaner? Oh no. Oh no. I went more there.
Don't touch anything.
My hand. Dude, this is not good. Oh no. Okay, we gotta tape it. Or something. I only got one hand. You got it? Oh. Hey guys, so kind of like my other video, had another camera mishap where just as we kind of cut the hole for my windows, my SD card storage was full, so I couldn't film anymore. And we just wanted to get the project done, so it's all done. I'm gonna show you guys the windows and how they turned out. All right, so this is that first window that we cut out, and it came out really good. It has a slider right here. This is a little screen, and then on the inside, it slides to open and get some nice ventilation and fresh air. Then I also did these. Back door windows, they don't open, but they just look nice and make the space feel way more open. And then again on this side, we have another one of those rear quarter windows that have a slider. So if I walk in the inside, let's see. So here is a little slider, and it opens. Woo. Really happy about it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this episode of the Van Build series. I'm so excited to show you guys and have you guys come along on this journey as I build out my tiny home on wheels. See you in the next video.